So I was chilling out in my comfy chair and almost dozed off and saw these birds, little tiny birds in the tree, and I'm like, wow, look at that. I literally just got out into the water with the boat and two osprey flying overhead right away. I'm at a different location than I was the other day, but I just thought I would come up here. It's only a mile from my house, so it's real easy to get to and easy to get in the water without too much effort. So I thought I would just come out here this afternoon and see what we can find. So there are two ospreys circling around. They haven't gotten that close. I'm just hoping that one will decide to need a bite of fish and dive in the water right in front of me. Chances of that happening, yeah, you know, it's gonna be pretty slim. But if you're not out here, you're not gonna have any chance at all. So I'd rather be out here at least trying. And if it works out great, if not, it's a beautiful day, beautiful spring day. And just thankful that I'm even able to climb into this boat just to be able to be out here. Oh, I see a bald eagle perched up in a tree over here. I'm surprised that osprey came out so close to that bald eagle. They're usually not pals. Good to see a lot of activity on this little lake. Two osprey and a bald eagle so far, so can't complain about that. A couple geese, but we have tons of geese around here, so I don't really count them. But it's nature, they're birds, so it's cool. So I've decided to come over in this little quiet cove. The water is pretty still, and I think I might just kind of lay quiet for a while. A lot of times when you do that, things will come upon you. You're not really going out and chasing things and disturbing things. And sometimes you get a lot of nice surprises. So I was chilling out in my comfy chair and almost dozed off and saw these birds, little tiny birds in the tree, and I'm like, wow, look at that. and I'm assuming it was some type of warbler. I'm not a birder, although I love taking photos of birds. My friends will probably laugh at me, the ones that know birds. They're like, well, of course, that's a you know what. It's like, well, I don't know what it is. But anyway, it was really pretty, and I got a couple shots. The one was black, yellow, and white, and the other one was mostly yellow with some black. But I'll show them to you, and by the time I make this video, I will know what type of bird that was. If it feels like I'm spinning around, it's because I am. I need to adjust my trolling motor. The light is starting to go down. No luck with the Ospreys, nor with the bald eagle coming back, but not a bad day. I was really happy to get some small birds. You don't know what you're gonna find unless you get out there and try, so. But I really appreciate you coming along. I appreciate your support. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. And if you'd like, you can buy me a coffee through Ko-fi. I'll put a link in the description below. And until next time, take care.